Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to change the name of a label in Gmail. So first of all you have to go on Google and log in into your Gmail account. After you log in into your Gmail account, come on the left side of the screen and you will scroll down and you will see the options, the name of options label, and below labels you will see the labels you want to change the names. So if you want to change the names of these labels, click on the three dots up here and then click on edit and now change the name. And then click on save button. So by this way you can easily change your label's name in Gmail account. Thanks for watching.